Here at Atomic Motors, they really have something for everyone, just like this Cadillac XLR. Dr. Atomic, you got to talk to me about this thing because I know it was built for speed, but it's so sexy as well.
It's an absolutely fabulous car, and you know something, we have some local celebrities just came in. I'm going to introduce you to them in just a second. But this XLR is incredible. It's a very low mileage car. Cadillac wanted to beat the Europeans, and they actually did, hands down. Not many were sold because of the price. The original price was so high, but now you can buy one for under $40,000. We have everything you could ever imagine wanting in a car, and they're built right there in Bowling Green. The same factory that built the beautiful Corvettes built this gorgeous XLR. And just the man coming in, do you mind if I introduce you?
Yeah.
Get on in here. Come on over here and say hello. This is Ryan Ahern. Get over here, world famous pianist. Come on.
Now, we've mentioned the Aherns in our segments a few times. Great friends of yours as well. Hi, how are you? Come on down.
He has his own PBS special. Good to see you.
Good to see you.
Introduce your friend Steve.
This is Steve Cowett, my famous comedian friend.
You'll see him on the strip and on cruise boats around the world. It's so nice to have you here.
I know you get to show your cars off over at the Ahern a few times throughout the year as well.
It's my best friend. I love him to death, and that's my brother right there. Now, the great part about these cars is he actually came to do a test drive in this car. So after we get done driving, he's going to be driving.
All right. Well, let us go take one last spin because I think it's going to end up being yours.
Thanks for watching this segment from 5DRVtv. For more automotive entertainment, be sure to download the 5DRVtv app from Roku, Fire TV, or Apple TV.